So I was walking to drop off some packages at Staples the other day, and I saw somebody had dumped, it looked like 2 washing machines. They just set them out by the dumpster, and maybe a dishwasher. And I called the metal scrap facility and they said yeah, they take them. So I'm gonna go grab probably 2 and see if I can get them to fit, but I gotta take this hitch off first. So let me back my truck up and then go grab those. Guess it's 2. Huh? All right, so we got $5 for that one. 250 pounds, 2 cents a pound, $5. Amazing.